First of all, the fact that you can see my reflection is killing me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you can see everything. What's up, cuties? Welcome to my channel. My name is Alexis, and thank you for joining me today. We are doing a natural glam look, i.e. this look. One world. So that's what I decided to do today. I think I did a great job. I don't know. Just let me know what you guys think. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm first gonna just take some chapstick and moisturize my lips because it's winter. It's winter time and my lips are dirty, like they're dusty. So now I'm going in with the NYX Hydro Touch primer that I always use, and I'm going to prime the face. And I'm really focusing it under my eyes and on my cheeks and on my nose, because those are the places that are the most dry for me. So I want lots of moisture there so my foundation won't flake off and be a hot mess, you know? I'm taking my tried and true Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I am in the shade 420. I take 2 pumps, and that's usually good for my whole face. Next, I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I am in the shade Deep Sand, and I am going to go underneath my eyes, on my nose, my forehead, chin, Cupid's bow. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe sponge yet again and blend it all out. What I like to do with the concealer underneath my eyes is I like to just take the excess that gets on my sponge and put it on my lid and kind of prime my lid that way. Now I'm going in with the Becca, Chloe, and Malika BFF collection little palette, face palette. And I am using the one that was made with love by Malika. And I'm just going to take this bronzer shade right here, which is called Bestie Bronze. And I'm taking this big fluffy brush. This is specifically a Morphe M527. And I'm just going to load it up with bronzer and bronze my face. I'm going to go in with this blush right down here, and that is called Make Me Blush. And I'm going in very light with this because I'm not really a blush person. And I'm also going over the bridge of my nose with that. And then I'm going in with this little brush right here. It's a Morphe M501. And I'm going in with this highlighting shade, and that is called Dusted. Like, knock knock, who's there? Me. See me from space. We're going to move on to the eyes. I'm using the James Charles and Morphe palette. Basically, I've only used this palette to create like really colorful looks. Like I have my blue and purple Pinterest recreation makeup look that I did. I have a red blown out eye that I did. I have a mustard yellow look that I did. And I also used it in our first color of the week video. And all of those are colorful. I will link some of them up in the little information card if you guys want to go check them out. But I haven't done a natural glam with this palette, so that's what I'm planning on doing today. I'm going to do a golden eye look. It's natural glam, so natural and glam, I see gold in my future. I'm going to start off and take Punch Me, which is this color right here, and I'm going to throw that in my crease using a large blending brush, and this one is a Morphe M441. Run this in my crease. This shade is literally my flesh tone color almost. I'm going to go in with this shade right here, 10% off, and I'm going to layer that on top of the shade Punch Me in my crease as well. I'm going in with this shade right here, and that shade is called No Beans, and I'm going to put that in the outer corner and tuck it in my crease. And for that, I'm using a smaller blending brush, and this is the Morphe M433. And for this color, I'm only taking it halfway in my crease, and I'm just kind of winging it out a little bit and then packing it on the outer corner. So I'm just going to go back in with the shade 10% off, blend that a little bit. Also take it in all the way. And I'm also going back in with Punch Me and taking that right on the top. Ooh, that baby was pigmented. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in with a flat synthetic brush, and this is the Morphe M224, and I am going to take this pretty gold shade right there, and that is called Wig, and that's going on my lid. What I'm going to do now is do another layer of the gold, except I am going to spritz my brush with the Morphe setting spray and then apply it. Like, look at that. Maybe I should have been zoomed in. Oh, I'm taking my tried and true Maybelline Unstoppable what's it called, eyeliner, and I'm lining my waterline, and I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Ink Liner, and I'm just gonna create a wing. Let's see how this goes. Alright, so now I'm going in with my fave, a Benefit They're Real mascara. So you could leave it like this, and this would be the completed eye look, or you can go ahead and throw on some lashes, which is what I'm gonna do. Lashes, yeah. So I have my lashes on. This is the eye look completed, and all we have left is to do the lips. And I think I'm going to keep it simple and just do a nude lip. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take a MAC Spice lip liner and align my lips. Hopefully it lines because it needs to be sharpened, and I don't have a pencil sharpener. Now I'm going to go in with the Becca Cosmetics lipstick in Cupid's Kiss, and this is from the Chloe and Malika BFF collection. This is the completed look, and I really actually love this. I did a little extraness in the inner corner with my liner. And I actually am living for the way that it makes my eyes look, but this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. This look really has me feeling myself like. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below what other videos you want to see from me in the future. With all that being said, if you want to keep up with me, follow me on Twitter and Instagram. My handles will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to subscribe, please. I would love to have you join my little family that I have over here. On this side of YouTube, we are cute, confident, but we're also a little bit crazy because the crazy is what makes you unique. So, I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!